Ruth Addison, owner of Yesterday's Kitchen for Today. I'm here to share with you about the Bushel Club. The Bushel Club is designed to help families prepare high unemployment, high food costs, genetically modified food that are in our food stores. We want to give our family the best. We want to take you back to canning the way our grandparents did. We need to teach the next generation on how to survive through these tough times that America may be facing. How to store food, short-term as well as long-term. In front of me, you'll see some equipment that we're going to be using to help you to go back to canning the natural way. In front of me is a water bath canner. This is what our grandparents used to use. At 212 degrees Fahrenheit, using about 7 of these quartz jars. We can put these in. And filling this up to the quart jars are full. The water is an inch above the quart jars. Boiling it at rapid based on the temperature of the recipe. Water panning is set up for high acid food, which are our best strawberries, berries, and we do that canning of strawberries and fruits in the water bath can. It is recommended by the USDA. Here I have the pressure canner. Pressure canner here. And we have a rack at the bottom of the pressure canner that prevents the jars from breaking when the water hits a rapid boil. We have a weight on here that's about 15 pounds. You adjust the weight according to the recipe. They call it for 5 pounds or 10 pounds. You lift the weight. This is 5 pounds. And this is 10. And then we got 15 that we put on here. This is for our low acid food, which is our vegetables and our meats. And we use this pressure canner. We're also going to use 7 quartz jars in here. And it gets set to 240 degrees Fahrenheit and killing out staph and bacteria and botulism. So it's a safety way of keeping bacteria and keeping our food safe and being able to store our food as well as long term. One of the bigger ones, if you have large families, it causes you to eliminate back and forth. You can do 14 quartz jars in here, and this is called the All-American Pressure Canner. And with All-American Pressure Canner, it doesn't have a rubber seal, it's all metal, and you make sure you use Vaseline to keep it moist so it doesn't stick overuse cooking it. So I suggest you do it each time you use it. This also have the weight gauge, 5, 10, and 15. And based on the recipe, if it's a 10 pound, you set it on 10. And you look for the pressure gauge here indicating based on the heat of it, that you control the heat that's going into the pot to make sure it goes up to the pressure of 10 if the recipe calls for 10. And once it gets there, then you start timing how long you're going to be using this at the pressure. The American canner, along with the pressure cooker and the water bath, is to help us to store food as well as long-term as well as short-term. We want to be able to teach the next generation how to take raw food to make real food and to be healthy.